So this week's word of the week for week number 21 is heart rate. Now, heart rate is defined as the number of beats your heart makes per minute. There's actually a formula that helps you figure this out. So the formula is the number of beats. So after you check your pulse, okay, you would say, let's say it was 20 beats in 15 seconds. You would multiply 15 seconds by 4, because again, there's 15, 15, 15, 15, which equals 1 minute, and that would be your heart rate. So let's say if it was 20 times 4 is 80. So my heart rate at that moment would be 80 beats per minute. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 21 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have scissors. Exercise number 2, we have lateral lunges. Exercise number 3, we have crunches. And last but not least, exercise number 4, we have side lying leg raises. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 21. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, as I mentioned, we're scissors. So we're gonna have 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. I'm gonna start with my left foot forward, right foot back. I'm just gonna alternate going back and forth like that. Okay, so those are called scissors. Then we got lateral lunges. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start right here in the middle, and I'm gonna extend one leg out. I'm gonna start with my right foot out, and then I'm gonna drop my hip and over my knee, and then go back up. And then I'm gonna switch. Lateral means to the side, so we're just gonna move our body side to side again, dropping our hip down to our knee, back and forth. There you go, side to side. All right, next one, we have crunches. So we're gonna go on down to our bottoms. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our hands right here, flat on our thighs. And what we're gonna do, keep our head up, or on the mat, and we're gonna come up. We're gonna slide our fingers all the way to the edge of our kneecap, and then go back down, up and down, up and down. Then we got side lying leg raises. So we're actually gonna go down. Again, I apologize. We're gonna go on our forearms, and we're gonna hold our bodies up. And then when we're holding our bodies up, kind of like a side plank, I'm gonna lift my leg up. I'll do it about 3 times on the right, and then I'm gonna switch. Then I'll try it 3 times on my left. And that's it. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Scissors, forward and back. On yourself a little bit more in the second round. Right now, just get a feel for the exercise. 5 seconds left. Got those lateral lunges coming up. All right, switch it up. Lateral lunges, get feet together and extend. Bring that hip down. Switch. Nice and easy. Again, if you need to modify this, go a little bit slower. Step. Great, my friends. All right, go down into those crunches. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Crunches. Again, hands on your thighs, bring your head up, and your hands slide up around your kneecap. Nice and easy. Make sure your hands are down, taps the floor, back up. 1, and switch. All right. Time. All right. 1 minute rest, my friends. 1 minute rest. Great time to get some water. Catch your breath. Breathe in and out. If you're enjoying these fast 5 workouts, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Again, I have great news. If you guys just want to get straight to the workout, Mr. Garcia actually created a separate YouTube channel called Fast 5 Workouts. You can click on that YouTube channel, and I'll have all my Fast 5 workouts, 1 all the way to 20. So make sure you guys check that out. Again, excited to provide you guys these Fast 5 workouts because I want to get fit just like you do. So just stay consistent with me, and we'll get fit together. Okay, got about 8 seconds left. Starting back up top, we got those scissors. We'll start with our left foot forward, touch up, sliding. 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, just alternate your feet, forward and backwards. Nice and easy. If you want to challenge yourself, stay on your toes. Don't let your heels hit the floor. On your toes the whole time. Five seconds left. All right, lateral lunges, let's go. Side and go down. Step, go down. Nice shot. Ooh, I felt that one. Oh yeah. Nice. Keep up the great work, my friends. Remember the motto, just finish. We got it. Keep working hard. We got crunches coming up next. Stay focused, stay consistent. You'll meet your goals, I promise you. All right. Go on down, got crunches. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Focusing on breathing, breathe in and out. Don't bang your head. Put your head down softly. You got it. Come on, 8 more seconds. We got 1 more exercise after this. Then we are done, my friends. Last one. All right. Let's go. All right, and hold yourself up 1. We're gonna do 3, 2, 3, switch. 1, 2, 3, switch. If you need to help yourself and support yourself, put your other hand down, that's okay too. And you guys go at your own pace, okay? All right, my friends, congratulations, you just finished Fast 5 workout number 21. Great job, give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back, and virtual fist bump. Great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 21. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout, about the exercises. Were they too easy? How did you modify it? Drop a comment down below. Again, don't forget to use our hashtag ThePESpot so we can follow you along on your fitness journey. And again, don't forget to check out our new YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun game for you, and it is called Memory Bank. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so for this game, you're only going to need a few household items. If you have 5 balloons, if you have 5 paper plates, if you have 5 different color sheets of paper, those are the only items you're going to need. If you have a red, green, yellow, purple, and pink, those are the items that are the colors I'll be using for this activity. You can create your own colors. It's completely up to you. So make sure you stay tuned for the demonstration of the activity. Alright, so for this game, your job is to match whatever somebody is saying. So the first way you're going to do this is you're going to be facing the wall and in a nice squat position. If somebody says red, you got to tap red. If somebody says yellow, you tap yellow. If somebody says purple, you tap purple. And you keep doing it, okay? There's going to be 4 different levels. Every level gets a little bit harder, and you guys have to memorize things in your memory bank in order to be successful. So Jordan's going to give this a shot, so stay tuned, and we're going to have him try it out. Alright, so the process of this game is level 1, the person only has to tap 1 color. Level 2, they're going to have to tap 2 colors. So if I say pink, green, they got to tap 2 colors. Level 3, they're going to have to tap 3 different colors. Level 4, they're going to have to tap 4 different colors within the time frame. So they're going to have 5 seconds in order to complete it. If they do not, they get 1 strike. Alright, so Jordan's going to go and turn around in a nice squat position. And remember, he can only make 3 mistakes. If he makes more than 3 mistakes, his game's over. If he's able to get to level 4 and complete all of them, he wins the activity. Okay, so here we go. If you guys want to time yourself, you could even do that. Have 1 person to get time to see how fast they can complete all 4 levels. Or you can just see if you can make it all the way up to level 4. So, Jordan, are you ready? Pink, red, green, purple, yellow. All right, moving on to level number 2. Yellow, green, purple, pink, red, green, yellow, green, purple, yellow. All right, 3. Remember, he has to hit 3 different colors in 5 seconds. Green, yellow, pink. Pink, purple, red.
Oh, messed up.
That's 1 strike. Pink, purple, red. Red, purple, yellow. Pink, green, red. Purple, green, yellow. All right, Jordan's moving on to level number 4. Level number 4, so now he has 4 different colors he has to pick. Remember, if he picks the wrong color, let's say I say yellow and he picks pink, that's another strike. He has 1 strike already, so if he gets 2 more strikes, game's over. Pink, green, purple, red. Yellow, green, pink, red. Purple, yellow, green, red. Red, pink, green, yellow. 5 seconds. Green, purple, yellow, pink. Okay, so Jordan just completed his challenge for memory bank, and he only got 1 strike. So I'm hoping to beat his score, and we'll see how we do.
Pink, red, green, purple, yellow. Level 2.
Level 2.
Yellow, green. Red, green. Yellow, green. Purple, yellow. Green, yellow, pink. Pink, purple, red. Red, purple, yellow.
Oh, 1 strike.
Red, purple, yellow.
Okay.
Pink, green, red. Green, red.
Pink, green, red.
Pink, green, yellow. Pink, green, purple, red.
So I got 3 strikes in memory bank. I just failed. I lost my game. Again, Jordan only had 1 strike on it. So can you beat Jordan's score? Because you definitely probably going to beat my score. We'll find out. Make sure you guys type in the comment below. Did you beat his score? Were you able to do it with no strikes? Were you able to do it with 1, 2, 3 strikes? We'll see. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of memory bank. Please don't
Forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Until next time, take care.